packing of the solids, right? So one-dimensional, two-dimensional, three-dimensional we studied. Again, one-dimensional means what? Arrangement of atoms only in the one row or the one column. Two-dimensional means what? The square pattern and the hexagonal. Okay. So just to revise those topics. So in the case of two-dimensional, what is the coordination number in the square packing in the two-dimensional way? What is the coordination number in the square close packing? Vishwanath and Shruti.
4, sir. 4 in square close packing.
4. Coordination number will be 4. And hexagonal close packing?
6.
Coordination number will be 6 in the case of hexagonal close packing. Then in the case of three-dimensional, we got the two more structures. What is the octahedral void and what is the tetrahedral void? What is the hexagonal close? Sorry, what is the close packing in a three-dimensional way? Please reply. I was waiting for your reply only. What is the answer? Close packing in the three-dimensional way. What are the two different type of structures? And what is the meaning of octahedral void and what is the meaning of tetrahedral void?
HCP and
HCP and the CCP. What is the HCP? What is HCP? Guys, answer. Diarrhea. Vishwanath. What is HCP? What is the meaning of HCP? Whenever the tetrahedral voids are covering with the help of the spheres in the given solid, it is called as an, it will form the HCP type of lattice. So it will have the arrangement of AB type of arrangement, right? What is CCP lattice? What is the CCP lattice? Whenever the third layer will cover the octahedral voids present in the first and second layer, it will form the CCP lattice and it will have the arrangement like ABC type of arrangement. So ABC type of arrangement will form the CCP lattice. AB type of arrangement will form the HCP lattice. And um, if you take n number of spheres in the given solid, the number of tetrahedral voids will be 2n and number of octahedral voids will be n. Okay. So if you take any particular octahedral void, total 6 spheres will be there in the surrounding the octahedral void, 3 in the above layer, 3 in the below layer. And in the last class, we studied about the radius ratios, smaller by capital R. So smaller by capital R equal to 0.225 in the case of tetrahedral void, and smaller by capital R equal to 0.414 and equal to in the case of octahedral void. So radius of atom is capital R, or radius of tetrahedral void or octahedral void is smaller. Okay, so radius ratio is equal to radius of cation by radius of anion. So this is what the tabular column is. I have explained you in the last class. Okay. So what is the radius ratio in the case of trigonal void? Can anyone have to tell me? What is the radius ratio in the case of trigonal planar? That is 0.115. In the case of trigonal planar, radius ratio is 0.115. Okay. So based upon this, we'll do some numericals now. So just take this example. The radius of cation is 169 picometers and the radius of anion is 181 picometers. Predict the structure of CSCl, also its coordination number. Can you find the answer and tell me? They have given the radius of cation and the radius of anion they have given. You have to predict the structure of CHCl and its coordination number. Just tell me the answer, do the calculation part. Just division, right? What is the answer? The radius of CS plus ions is 169 picometers and the Cl minus ion is 181 picometers. Predict the structure of CSCl and also its coordination number. So if you take this radius ratio R plus by R minus equal to 169 by 181, what will be the answer? Just tell me this calculation part. What is the answer? One 169 by 181. What is the answer? Anyone? Daria, Shruti, Vishwanath. 0.889. If it is a 0.889, it will start comes under the BCC structure, right? Because 0.73221, it will comes under the BCC. So it will comes under the BCC type of structure and the coordination number will be 8. Okay. So like this, you will find out the coordination number and the radius ratio and the type of structure using the R plus and the R minus. So next you'll study about the calculating the formulas of the given compound. It is very important. So how to calculate the formulas and all. So in the tabular column, we have given one thing right here. If you take the FCC structure, okay, I'll write it here. If you take FCC structure, how many number of atoms will be there in the FCC? If you take FCC type of structure, how many atoms will be there? 4.
4.
Then how many tetrahedral voids will be there? Sorry, how many octahedral voids will be there? How many octahedral voids will be there?
4, sir.
4 only. Good. How many tetrahedral voids?
8.
8. Suppose if you take the BCC structure, the Z value is
2.
2. Very good. Octahedral voids is also 2. Tetrahedral voids will be 4.
4.
Clear? If you take ECC, Z value is end
2,
centered.
sir.
2 only.
2.
Z value is 2 only, end centered. If you take end centered means what? One cube will be there like this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the 8 corners, 8 atoms will be there, and the 2 atoms at the 2 opposite faces. So total we have the 2 atoms effectively. So 2 octahedral voids will be 2 and tetrahedral voids will be 4. What about the HCP? HCP structure, what is the Z value? What is Z value in the case of HCP? It is 6. Okay, Z value will be 6 in the case of HCP. And octahedral voids also 6, tetrahedral voids will be 12. So these are the important things. Just you take the screenshot and you can add the notes afterwards because this will erase easily. I'm not writing on the notepad, right? Writing in the PDF itself. Clear this or any doubts in this? How to find the tetrahedral voids and the octahedral voids?
Clear, sir.
Now shall we do the problems on this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now can you see the question? In a crystal of ionic compound, anion B forms CCP lattice and cation occupies only half of tetrahedral voids. What is the formula of the compound? Did you understand the question?
Sir, A4B.
What's the answer?
A4B.
That's right. A4B. Okay, so we'll solve it first. What they are saying, B atoms are occupying the CCP lattice, right? Sorry. So if you take the B atom, it is CCP lattice. CCP lattice means what? We can take CCP or the FCC, both are same. Atoms will be 4. Okay. So atom B is occupying the CCP lattice means B will be 4. Now A is occupying the tetrahedral voids. How many tetrahedral voids will be there?
8.
8. But all the 8 are occupying or only half is occupying?
Only half. 4.
Only half. That means only A atoms are occupying the 4 spaces. That means A4, B4 on the right formula. A we got as a 4 and B we got as a 4. That means A4, B4 is a formula or not? Or can
Yes,
you
sir.
write AB?
AB.
Is it clear how to find?
Yes, sir.
I have taken the screenshot for this. FCC is equal to 4, BCC is equal to 2, ECC is equal to 2, HCP is equal to 6.
Yes, sir.
And today you have the solid state exam also, right? Already Sharmila ma'am has posted the link.
Yes, sir.
Did you attend the test?
No, sir. I'll attend it after class.
Okay, just attend the test for also and use this concepts there. So any doubts in this calculation part? Clear? Or any doubts in this? How to find the formula?
Clear, sir.
Now can you do this one? Next question. Can you find the formula for the next question? Before and all we got only AB formula, but now you can solve for ABC. What is the answer? Anybody?
Sir, I got AB 2O.
AB 2.
2O.
Okay, good. We'll check it. No problem. Remaining. Remaining. You got any answer? Vishwanath and Dairya. Are you doing? Give me some reply. If you are solving now, I'll wait for some more time. Or if you are not understanding now, I'll explain you the concept. I'll explain the problem. Can I solve? Vishwanath and Dairya. So in the CCP structure of mixed oxide, the lattice of the compound of oxide ions. 1/4 of the tetrahedral voids are occupied with divalent metal atom A, and the octahedral voids are occupied with monovalent metal atom B. What is the formula of the oxide? Okay, so CCP structure is there, mixed oxide is there. The lattice of the compound oxide. Is it CCP structure? CCP structure means what? Z will be 4. That means octahedral void will be 4, tetrahedral void will be 8. So this is what meaning they said. And C is occupying the oxide format. That means C is occupying the Z. So Z value will be 4. And 1/4 of the tetragonal voids are occupied by the divalent metal atom. Okay, that means divalent metal atom means how many? What is the answer? M plus 2, right? That is A. So A is occupying only 1/4 of the tetrahedral voids. That means 2. What about the B? Octahedral voids are occupied by the monovalent B atom. So B is monovalent. How many octahedral voids? 4. So 4 equal to 4. So if you solve this one now, what will get answer? What is the answer? A2, B is 4, and C is 4. That means when you solve this one, what will you get? A, B2, O2, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So you have taken the mistake of O here. You have to take it for oxide, right? CCP means 4. Is it clear or any doubts?
Clear, sir.
Clear? What about the Vishwanath and Dairya? Is it clear or not? Shall we go to other problem or can I explain it once again? Shruti,
Sir.
any doubts in this?
No, sir.
Okay, I will open a notepad. I'll give some problems. You just solve it and tell me the answer. Yeah. So question number 1 is write the formula of the compound in which the element Y occupies CCP lattice and the atom of X occupies one third of tetrahedral voids. What is formula of the compound? Okay, in which element Y forms CCP lattice and atoms of X occupy one third of tetrahedral voids. What is the answer?
X2, Y3.
X2,
Y3.
X2, Y3 answer.
Yes, sir.
What about the remaining people? What about the remaining one? Got the answer? See, they said Y atoms is occupying the CCP structure. Okay. So if the Y atoms are occupying the CCP structure now, CCP means what? Z equal to 4. That means Y atom will be equal to 4. And X atom is occupying the tetrahedral voids. Tetrahedral voids means how much? If Z equal to 4 now, tetrahedral voids will be 8. But it is occupying only one third of tetrahedral void, right? So one third of 8. That means 8 by 3. So we take X as 8 by 3 and Y as 4 by 3, 4 by 1. What will you get the answer? 1s are 2s are. So X 2 by 3, Y 1. If you take simple ratio, X 2, Y 3. This is a solution for that. Very good, Shruti. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, can I give one more problem?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
I will not write the complete question, but I will give you the data. From that you can understand and can tell me the answer. Write the formula of the compound in which Y occupying the CCP lattice and X occupying the two-third of octahedral voids. Write the formula of the compound in which Y occupying the CCP lattice and X occupying the two-third of octahedral voids. What is the answer? What is the answer?
Sir, it's the same x2, y3.
Okay, Vishwanath, can you check it once again, Vishwanath? What about the area? You have to form the formula of the compound. See, Y means what? CCP structure. CCP is equal to what? 4. Z equal to 4 now, Y is occupying all the CCP structure, right? So it is a Y equal to 4. Now X. If it's CCP now, how many octahedral voids will be there? 4 octahedral voids will be there. But X is not occupying all the octahedral voids, right? It is occupying only 2/3 of octahedral voids. That means again 2/3 into 4, that is a 8/3. So X is 8/3, Y is 4. Same calculation part again. So you get X2, sorry, X2, Y3 you'll get. X2, Y3 you'll get same calculation part, right? X 8/3, Y 4. So you take the cancellation part in LCM, you'll get X2, Y3. Okay. Now will you solve any type of formulas like this, or still any confusion is there? Okay, next problem. Write the formula of the compound in which Y is occupying the HCP lattice and X occupies 1/3 of octahedral voids. Are you understanding what I am telling? These are octahedral voids.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me the answer. If Y is occupying the HCP lattice and X is occupying the 1/3 of octahedral voids, then what will be the formula of compound?
XY3.
What is the answer?
XY3.
What about the remaining? Remaining people got the answer. Dhairya and Vishwanath. Good. Vishwanath, what about the area? See, HCP lattice means what? HCP lattice. That means Z value equal to 6. Then octahedral words also 6. Tetrahedral words will be 12. Okay. So they're asking the HCP lattice. Y is forming the HCP lattice now. There is a 6. X is occupying only 1/3 of octahedral words. So octahedral words is 6. 1/3 of 6 equal to 2. So x2 y3. That sorry y6. That means xy3 is the formula of the compound. Okay. So the next part is the defects in the solids. Before that, we'll do some more numericals in today's class. Like we will keep Sunday classes a completed numerical class and all. It will be benefit for you in both NCRT as well as for the JEE preparation and all. Okay. So apart from this concept, will you do the numerical on a density problem? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just note down the problem. Just wait a minute. See, an element is there with molar mass. I think this meeting is going to end within less than 1 minute. You have to join it once again. Okay. Molar mass of 27 gram per mole forms a CCP lattice with edge length of 4.05 into 10 power minus 8 centimeters. If its density is 2.7 gram per centimeter cube, what is the nature of the init cell? What is the nature of init cell?